Hello, and thank you for listening to this tutorial on job costing in QuickBooks. Um, the job costing functionality in QuickBooks is very easy to use. Um, I showed you in a previous tutorial how to add additional customer job records to an existing customer. And in this example, you will see Gary Wessinger has, this is his primary customer record, and then beneath his primary customer record as sub-records, we have a bathroom addition and a guest cottage and a miscellaneous small jobs. These are all jobs that we've created relating to the customer, Gary Wessinger. What this does is it allows you to track all activity relating to a specific job so that you could better manage your profitability per job. In this case, under the bathroom edition, you will see that all of the invoices to Mr. Wessinger and payments relating to the bathroom edition are located within this specific job record. The same way with the guest cottage and miscellaneous small jobs, but there are no invoices or payments. In addition to payments and invoices, if you're tracking estimates in QuickBooks, you can also attach estimates. So this takes care of tracking all of your invoices or your the revenue section of your profit and loss, and making sure you're tracking payments against those invoices. To track expenses or other costs, I will show you how to do that. I should already have one open here. If you go to pay a bill that is related to a specific job, in this case we're going to pay Cole Plumbing and Products. We've created a bill, and I will show you that within this bill, once you have designated the item and cost relating to this bill, the key so that it is tracked to that specific job is to make sure that right here in this customer job column of the bill, you want to make sure that you have selected which job that this bill specifically relates to. In this example, this bill relates to the guest cottage. This is very similar for if you're tracking time. Let me show you. If you're using timesheets to track time, right here you can, let me first select an employee. You can go down and make sure that you select the appropriate time or customer job for that specific time, whether you're tracking it in a timesheet or a single activity time clock. What tracking those expenses allows you to do is make use of some of the wonderful reports contained or delivered within QuickBooks. To access these reports, you simply go to Reports, Jobs, Time, and Mileage, and you will see a list of already delivered reports that QuickBooks provides you. You can have a job profitability summary or detail, and basically what that is a summary of all of your jobs. You could go down to Gary Wessinger here. You can see for the bathroom edition the actual costs, revenue, and the difference. The costs, of course, come from the bills or checks that you've written and tagged and associated with that customer job, in this case bathroom addition, guest cottage, or small jobs. And the actual revenue, of course, comes from your primarily from your invoicing activities within that customer. Another good report is if you are, like I said, tracking time, you can run a time by job summary or detail reports. And of course there's the what most people will probably use is the profit and loss by job. The profit and loss by job is your standard profit and loss report. However, it is broken down by customer and job. You will see in this example Mr. Wessinger's bathroom addition profit and loss, the guest cottage profit and loss, and then the total profit and loss for Gary as a combination of all of the jobs associated with that customer. So I hope that helps. This concludes the tutorial on job costing in QuickBooks. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.